Most people assume intelligence is fixed, but the truth is that everyday habits can quietly make you think, act, and respond in ways that appear less intelligent than you really are. These low IQ habits aren't signs of who you are, they're just patterns your brain slips into without realizing it. And once you learn to spot them, you can break them fast. So here are 15 habits that make you look less sharp, and how to fix every one. The first habit is reacting without thinking. When you answer immediately out of emotion, you skip the logic part of your brain. The fix is simple. Pause for 3 seconds before responding. This tiny delay gives your brain time to choose a smarter answer. The second habit is avoiding things that feel difficult. Low-effort tasks trick your mind into thinking you're being productive when you're not. The solution is to start with just 2 minutes of the hard task. Once you begin, your brain naturally continues. The third habit is constantly multitasking. People think multitasking is smart, but it actually lowers accuracy and memory. The fix is to switch to single-task focus, handling one thing at a time for 10 to 15 minutes. The fourth habit is talking more than listening. When you dominate conversations, you miss details, cues, and insights. To break this, ask one clarifying question before giving your opinion. The fifth habit is believing everything you hear. Accepting information without thinking makes anyone seem gullible. The solution: ask yourself, how do I know this is true, before accepting it. The sixth habit is thinking you're always right. This mindset blocks learning and growth. The fix is to practice intellectual humility by actively looking for evidence that challenges your viewpoint. The seventh habit is giving up quickly. Quitting fast makes tasks feel impossible even when they're not. Combat this by breaking goals into steps so small they're impossible to fail. The eighth habit is not asking questions. Staying silent to look smart has the opposite effect. Replace pride with curiosity and ask what you genuinely want to understand. The ninth habit is over-explaining yourself. Rambling makes your ideas sound weaker. The fix is to speak in short, clear sentences, one idea at a time. The 10th habit is always seeking approval. When you constantly look for validation, people see insecurity instead of intelligence. Break this by asking, do I believe my own decision, before asking others? The 11th habit is using big words to sound smart. Trying too hard actually makes you look less confident. Stick to simple, clear language that communicates your ideas directly. The 12th habit is not managing emotions. When anger, frustration, or anxiety take over, your intelligence shuts down. The fix is to label what you're feeling. Naming emotions calms them instantly. The 13th habit is avoiding responsibility. Blaming others makes you look immature and unaware. To break it, identify just one thing you could have done better. No excuses. The 14th habit is being closed-minded. Refusing new ideas keeps you stuck. The solution is to try the maybe I'm wrong mindset for 1 minute before rejecting something. And the 15th habit is not learning anything new. A stagnant mind becomes a weak mind. You can fix this by learning for just 5 minutes a day. Read a paragraph, watch a mini lesson, or explore something new. The good news is that none of these habits define your intelligence. They're simply behaviors your brain picked up along the way. Once you recognize them, you can replace them with smarter, stronger patterns that make you think clearer, respond better, and show the world your real potential.